Hello, and welcome to this presentation. You will see how to publish components from the Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control software library and how to import them into repositories. Up to this point in the flow of deployment activities, templates and assemblies, we'll call them components, have been referred from Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. So, the components are represented in the software library by their reference location, optional path, and their file names. The final steps before deployment include publishing and importing the components, which are shown in the gray box in this diagram. The process of publishing involves associating selected components with selected roles, and therefore the users defined by those roles. Published components show up in the self-service portal display for library objects. Now, let's take a look at publishing and importing them into repositories. In this session, I'm logged in as a self-service administrator. Publish library components through the self-service portal configuration interface. Navigate from the Setup menu through Cloud and click on Infrastructure. The Infrastructure Cloud Self-Service Setup page appears. Click on Software Components on the left side of the screen. The Software Components list shows components that have already been published from the software library. To publish components, click on the Add Components button. Start by selecting Software Components. Click the Add button here. We want a template and an assembly from the software library folder named A Sales Folder. Click on the assembly named FMW Generic WLS13C, and while holding the Control key, click on the template named Legacy WLS10G. Now click Select. To associate these specific components, click on Add under the Select Roles label. Select the Sales Self-Service User and Sales Self-Service Admin roles while holding the Control key, and click Select. With roles selected, click Publish. The software component list updates and the two new components appear at the top. The next action is to import the components. Click on the list item for Legacy WLS10G, then click Import. In the dialog box that appears, click on the target name. Here, select Sales Marketing, which relates to the zone managed by the Sales Self-Service Administrator. Then click Import. Cancel the confirmation message. Select the FMW Generic WLS13C list item and repeat the import process. After several minutes, update the screen by clicking the circular arrow at the upper right. See that the two components have been imported as indicated by the green checkmark icons in the Imported column. This ends the presentation. Thank you for watching.